guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Shachi Kadyan. This is my first video and in this I'll be doing cow emoji inspired makeup. I am already done with my skincare, so moving on with the makeup. Firstly, I am applying a primer. Then I am using MAC strobe for an extra smooth and glowy base. I have mentioned all the products that I am using on the screen, as well as I have linked down the products in the description below so that you guys can easily shop them, and all these products that I am using are my absolute favorite. So check the description for details and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Now I'll stop with the blabbering so that you can focus on the video. Here I am using cream blush and I am setting this using shade Joy from the eyeshadow palette because I love this shade. I am not using any powder blush. This is my final look. I hope you love this cow eyeliner. I have created a kind of basic emoji inspired look. If you love the look, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you would like to get notified every single time I post.